Hi there. Today I'm going to show you real quick how to organize your LCPS Go page. This could be for yourself, this could be for your students, this could be for your own child. Um, what's nice is that they've already done some of that. They've created this folder here, it has Google and has all the different Google apps inside of it. But you'll notice that on some of the kids' pages, um, there are like a whole bunch of apps that are like all over the place. And for some of our kiddos, that gets to be a little bit too much. It's a little too visually stimulating. I'm the same way. That's why I like a simple background. And I like to put things into folders that, especially like here's one that I already have created, and it's called Stuff I Don't Use. So this was stuff that was just automatically already on that page when I first went onto it, and I didn't use any of these things. So I moved them all into this folder called Stuff I Don't Use. Now it like frees up space and just has a cleaner look to it. So the way that you can do that is you can just simply right click with your mouse on the screen here, and then you can sort the apps by their name if you want. See how that changed it? Now they're like more in alphabetical order. You could sort the apps by type, or you could just simply like move them wherever you want them to be. So I like to have for mine, I use Outlook all the time, so I have that up here. I use um, Schoology quite a bit, so I like that up here. I use the Virginia IEP quite a bit, so I like that. Just to me, I go left to right, and these are like, one of the most common things. I like my Google here. Think of it just like as you would your phone, how you like to arrange your phone. And then we get a little motor plan down for our apps, and can't stand it when they change. So now I have it pretty much how I would like it to be, with all of the apps that I use most frequently here to the left, and then other apps that are available, and then some that I have put into folders. So if you wanted to make a folder, you right click and then you say add folder. And then you give your folder a name. We'll just call this one clutter. We can pick the folder color just by clicking over here on the color. I'll just make mine this color and I'll say create. So now here's my folder that's called clutter. So now that we have our folder, I've gone ahead and I've dragged and dropped some apps into my folder that I just called clutter. And now I could get to those if I wanted to just by opening that folder. So you can continue to do this for some of these other apps that maybe you don't use all that often, and drag them, and then you kind of hover it on your folder, and then you let it go, and now you have dropped it into that folder.